Ho from the songbirdtree.com, where we get grounded, take flight and sing. And today I have a special video for you. We are going to learn how to become a good singer even if you think that you're pretty bad. 4 crucial things you need to work on to become a good singer. Number 1, improve your pitch. Number 2, beautify your tone. Number 3, increase your vocal power. And number 4, never stop loving and working on your craft. So much to cover. Let's get started. Number 1, improve your pitch. Often, the difference between a good and not so good singer is that a good singer hits their notes with accuracy, while the not so good singer is kind of a little flat or a little sharp. A consistent level of even a little bit of flatness or sharpness can really be painful to the ears. Lucky for you, I've got a video dedicated to the subject of improving your pitch right here. So click to watch that now. Okay, once you've improved your pitch, it's time for number 2, beautify your tone. Let's face it, good singers not only sing with accuracy in their pitching, but they just sound beautiful. Now, I understand that beautiful can mean different things to different people, but generally speaking, and in my humble opinion, there are 3 main things which make a vocal tone sound beautiful. The first one is, it's free and effortless. It sounds like it's so easy for the singer to sing. It just flows out of their mouth like water. There is no push or strain. You can sing freely and effortlessly by making sure your throat is fully open and not constricting on your vocal cords, by preparing your throat with a yawn stretch as you inhale for a new phrase, like this. Now, the second thing I think that makes a beautiful tone is that there is an appropriate level of vibrato. Too much vibrato sounds overdone, but none at all can sound a little harsh on the ears. A balanced level is natural and gives warmth to the tone. For some great tips on how to develop a beautiful vibrato, watch this video here. And the third thing about a beautiful voice is that it's multidimensional. There is depth, there is power, but there's also gentleness and vulnerability. There's loud and there's soft. There's intensity and then there's moments of pulling it right back. To achieve this, you need a mastery over your vocal technique. But even more than that, you need to just sing from your heart. Express how you feel and let it show in your facial expression and in your body language. Don't be shy and hold back. Let your audience see you. Tell your story. And number 3, increase your vocal power. Power does not always equal loud. Sometimes it is, but power is more about the ability to sing with control and conviction. Singing loud but sounding harsh is not power. It displays a lack of control and the presence of constriction. Here's an exercise that will help you sing with greater depth and power, but without sounding harsh. It's called the sob. And we're going to sing this on a mom-mom descending major triad. And it goes like this. Mom, mom, mom. The key is to sing it like you're very sad and you're crying for your mom. Girls, you start here. And guys, you're here. Come with me together now. Mom, mom, mom. 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 Mom, bum, 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 bum. Number 4, never stop loving and working on your craft. Becoming a good singer doesn't just happen overnight. It requires good old-fashioned hard work, a truckload of persistence, and buckets of patience. So get singing lessons with a great coach. You can check out the options of working one-on-one with myself or my wonderful associate coaches here. Or invest in good programs that will help you improve in your own time and convenience. And again, you can check out the Vocal Revolution program at the Songbird Tree if an online program is your improvement method of choice. And then, whatever method you choose, practice, practice, and practice some more. And then get out there and perform, perform, perform. And the only way you can keep going on this journey is to remain in love with the craft of singing. Singing is so much fun and it brings so much joy. So, practicing should never grow old. Practicing should be something that you look forward to because you love singing so much. So remain hungry to learn and cultivate a sense of awe and wonder. And seriously, please don't forget to have fun. This will enable you to continue even when the going gets tough. And there you have it. 4 crucial things that you've got to work on to become a good singer. And yes, even if you think you're pretty bad. Now, thumbs up if you found this helpful. Next time, I'm going to show you how to sing in tune even if you think you're tone deaf. So subscribe to the channel or over at my website at songbird.com to make sure that you don't miss it. Don't forget, when you sign up at my website, you'll also get an amazing freebie workout video to transform your voice. So if you liked this video, please do share it with your songbird friends so that they too can learn how to become a good singer. And of course, for daily singing tips, inspirations, vocal health tips, and other exciting stuff, including what me and my associate coaches get up to with our students, and the loving craziness of the Songbird Tree team, follow us on social media. Songbird, I'm always believing in you. Now go forth, get grounded, take flight, and sing. Now if you're serious about becoming a good singer, I really invite you to check out my Vocal Revolution program. Transform your voice, transform your life with 19 video modules. Yep, that's over 20 hours of me as your virtual vocal coach. And you also get direct access to me and also my associate coaches. Why don't you find out more now at songbird.com.